Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a Discord invite link that stays active for 7 days. Whether you're building a new community or setting up a group for your friends, having a link that doesn't expire right away can save you a lot of time. So let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone or desktop. Once it's open, go to the server where you want to create the invite. Make sure you have the right permissions to invite people. Usually, this means you're either the server owner or have been given invite access. Next, at the top of your screen, tap the server's name. This will open a small menu with several options related to your server's settings and management tools. From the menu, select the option that says Invite. This is where Discord lets you generate a new link to invite others into your server. You'll see your existing links if you've already created some before. Now, here's the part that many people miss. Tap on Edit Invite Link. This button allows you to customize how long your link lasts, how many times it can be used, and whether it grants temporary membership or not. Under the section that says Expire After, you'll see several options like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and so on. Choose 7 days. This means your Discord invite link will remain active for a full week before it expires automatically. Once you've selected 7 days, confirm your choice by tapping Save or the checkmark icon, depending on your device. Your custom settings are now applied. After that, tap on Create Link or Generate. Discord will instantly create a new invite link with your chosen settings. You can now copy it, share it with your friends, or post it wherever you want people to join your server. And that's it. You've successfully made a permanent Discord invite link that lasts for 7 days. It's a simple setting, but incredibly useful for managing growing communities without constantly creating new links.